Everyone, welcome to GES News Today channel on YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere. We are going to look at the negative effects of salary cuts and salary reactivation on insurance claims, loan deductions, and then the rest. This particular episode is necessitated from a text message received by one of our members from MiLife and some other insurance companies, prompting him to come and make over the counter payments because he no longer receives salary. So we decided to make this video to brief members about the negative consequences that await you whenever you have salary cuts and reactivation. You can even do the salary reactivation, but if you don't take the following steps, your policy will be in danger. Your policy will be in danger. Sorry. Now, in other words, will you be able to claim your insurance if you have ever suffered salary cuts and reactivation? What are the consequences of salary cuts and reactivation on your loan deductions and then the rest? So first of all, we are going to take that of the insurance claims and premium. Kindly subscribe because our next episode is going to be about factors or reasons why you will not be able to claim your insurance policies. And it is not just about salary cuts and the rest. It concerns all other issues as well. We will also be making videos on the factors or the about 5 clauses to look out for in any insurance policy that you want to pick. Any insurance policy that you want to sign, you must look out for about 5 major clauses to look out for. Now that we are finished with that, let's continue. Insurance companies are good at two things. They are good at collecting premiums and denying claims. They are good at collecting premiums and denying claims. They are always hoping that you never qualify to benefits, or even if you do, they hope you made a mistake that they could stand on to deny you your claim. And also they wish you terminate the policy and forfeit all the funds you have given them. So now what is the point? Insurance companies collect claims and pay you benefits whenever something happens. However, they have clauses in their policy documents that anytime you do not pay a policy, or if any of your policy premiums is in arrears for about 3 months, whatever claim that is due you, they won't give you. Rather, to some extent, or for some companies, they will only accumulate your money that you have contributed so far and give to you, sometimes with interest, other times without interest. So whenever you suffer salary cuts, remember, especially when you are paying the premiums through controller, when your salary cut happens, you never get a chance to pay premium to the insurance companies anymore. It is therefore in your best interest to make sure all insurance premiums that were not paid for certain months through the banks or controller are paid over the counter to the companies. Otherwise, you are going to pay all premiums all right, but when the time is up for you, maybe it's 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 7 years ago that you suffered salary cut for some few months, that issue will pop up that you are in arrears and they will deny you your claim, because that is what they are good at and that is their interest. The more they are able to deny people, the more interest they make. So what are the consequences on loan deductions as well? Now, there are some banks, especially when they are deducting you from their banks, whenever you suffer salary cuts, or even if you have not suffered salary cuts and you are not able to pay your deductions to them, they will ask you to pay premiums. sorry, they'll ask you to pay penalties. You will pay penalties on those months deduction that you were not able to pay. So in this case, if you suffer salary cuts for about 3, 4, 5, 6 months, all those deductions, they'll be considered as default, and they are going to surcharge you and ask you to pay penalties on them. In order to avoid such a scenario, it is in your interest to be paying over the counter so that you don't have to pay penalties on them. And sometimes they don't deduct all those money at a go when the salary has come. They'll rather prefer deducting it in bits so that they can have more time to charge you penalties. So these are the consequences of salary cuts, salary reactivation, or your insurance premiums, loan deductions. We will also be talking about its effects on point jams. Point jams, what is the consequences of salary cuts or reactivation on point jams. We will also be making next video concerning the percentage of salary increase whenever your point has increased. Subscribe. Bye bye.